Back road dust on my jeans, your name in my screen glow. We used to skip stones by the creek when the wind slowed. Yeah. I left with a
This is actually insane. And I know people say that about every AI tool now, but this right here feels different.
If your friend raps, if you post on TikTok, or honestly, if you just want to create viral content online, you need to see this, because I think I just found an AI tool that can turn any song into a full music video in literally minutes. And I'm not talking about some weak slideshow with random pictures moving around. I mean actual cinematic scenes, crazy transitions, animated visuals, camera movement, beat syncing, effects, all generated by AI. This thing is basically directing and editing the video for you. And the craziest part, you don't need editing skills. You don't need expensive software. You don't need a videographer. You literally paste a song link, type a prompt, and the AI does the rest. Nah, artists are about to abuse this. So today we're testing this AI tool called Freebeat AI Live, and we're gonna see if this thing is actually fire or if it's complete cheeks. The website is called Freebeat AI, and this is basically an AI music video generator built specifically for creators and musicians. Now what makes this different from normal AI video tools is that this thing actually understands music, meaning the AI analyzes BPM rhythm, beat drops, pacing, energy changes, song structure. So instead of generating random visuals that don't match the song, it actually tries to build visuals around the music itself. That's huge, because that's literally what real music video editors do manually. Now watch this. You can paste songs directly from YouTube, TikTok, Spotify, SoundCloud, Suno, Udio. Bro, you don't even got to download the audio file. That already saves a ton of time. And once you paste the link, the AI automatically starts analyzing the track and preparing scenes for the video. That is actually wild. Now, before we even make our own video, look at some of the examples they got on the homepage. These look like videos people are already posting on TikTok and Instagram, getting millions of views. You got anime edits, cinematic music videos, storytelling visuals, AI performance clips, viral style edits, crazy beat synced effects. And the thing I noticed immediately is that everything moves with the music. The transitions hit on beat, camera movement hits on beat, the effects hit exactly when the music changes. That's what makes videos feel professional. And apparently this AI does all of that automatically. All right, enough talking. We got to test this ourselves. So first thing, we click music video. Boom. Now we're inside the dashboard. And honestly, this is way simpler than I expected, because most AI tools are confusing as hell. But this interface is actually clean and easy to use. So now let's upload the song. I'm going to paste a song link right here. Now watch this. The AI instantly starts pulling information from the track, and while that loads, we got to choose the style for the video. Now this is where it starts getting really, you can choose different creation modes depending on the type of video you want. You got a cinematic mode, storytelling mode, abstract visuals, singing videos, performance videos, viral effects mode. And some of these styles are actually crazy. Then you can choose different characters too. Anime characters, cartoon characters, realistic people, streetwear styles, fantasy designs. Bro, this feels like directing your own AI movie. All right, nah. This character right here is fire if we're going with this one. Now we switch the format to vertical mode because we're trying to make this TikTok and Reels ready. 916, 1080p, clean, and look at this. You can even upload lyrics for lyric captions, and that's actually hard because lyric videos still go crazy online. Now this is the funniest part to me, because all these visuals, all these effects, all this editing power comes from literally one sentence. So for the prompt I'm typing, make me a cinematic viral rap music video with dark lighting, fast cuts, and insane transitions. That's it. That's literally the whole prompt. Now we hit generate, and let's see what happens. Bro, nah, this is crazy. Look at the AI cooking right now. It's literally building scenes one by one automatically. And if you look closely, you can actually see the AI planning the video in real time. It's generating camera movement, transitions, shot angles, animations, lighting, effects, pacing, automatically. Bro, this thing is literally editing the music video by itself. And remember, real editors charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars for this type of work. This AI is doing it in minutes. That's actually insane. And the craziest part is that it's generating multiple scenes at the same time. Scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. Bro, the AI is cooking. And honestly, I think content creation is entering a completely new era because now creators can make high-level content without giant budgets. That changes everything. And y'all know what's even crazier? People are going to make money with this. I already see it happening. Because think about it. There are millions of artists online right now. Most of them need visuals. Most of them need content. Most of them don't have huge budgets. So imagine learning how to use this tool properly. You could literally make lyric videos, AI music videos, visualizers, TikTok edits, promo clips, Instagram reels, animated music content. Bro, that's a whole business. You could literally DM artists and say, send me your song and I'll make you an AI music video. That's actually a real hustle now. All right. The video is finally done. Moment of truth. Let's see if this is actually fire or if we just wasted our time. Play the video.
Mud on my shoes, love turned to pain. Still I hear your name on the summer rain. Maybe time heals slow.
Nah, the beat syncing is actually insane. The transitions are smooth. The visuals match the energy of the song. The movement feels cinematic. And remember, this was made in minutes. That's the scary part. Now, obviously, you can still customize things more if you want. You can regenerate scenes, change styles, edit clips, add captions, switch effects. But for AI to create this automatically, nah, bro, this is next level. Honestly, now I understand why AI music videos are blowing up everywhere, because this makes content creation fast. And speed matters online, especially on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts, where people constantly need content. So if you're a music artist, a producer, you should probably test this because AI video generation is getting better way faster than people expected. And Freebeat AI honestly might be one of the best AI music video generators I've tested so far. If y'all want to try Freebeat AI yourselves, I got the link below. Seriously, go test it. Paste a song, type a prompt, generate a video, check out the links in the description below. That's literally it. And if you make something crazy, post it online because these AI videos are going viral right now. Like the video, subscribe, and comment if you think AI is taking over music videos.